Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to reset your LG dishwasher without unplugging. First, make sure your dishwasher door is fully closed and latched. Once the dishwasher door is closed, locate the control panel at the top front of your dishwasher. You will see buttons like power, start, cancel, and possibly a child lock or control lock button. If your dishwasher has a child lock or control lock feature active, you may need to turn that off before you can reset. To disable the lock, press and hold the child lock button for 3 to 5 seconds. Wait for the lock indicator to turn off on the display. Now that the control lock is off, press and hold the start or cancel button on the control panel. Hold the button for about 3 to 5 seconds. You should see the lights on the panel change or the display clear. This means the dishwasher is canceling the current cycle and initiating a reset of the internal system. After the lights change or the display clears, wait about 10 seconds. This pause allows the dishwasher to finish the reset process inside its control board. You can now select a new wash cycle and press start to test the dishwasher. The machine should respond normally and begin a new wash cycle. Thanks for watching.